Is the army part of it? Or he asked that. Okay, good. And then you now ask whether we are still going on with kinetics. Okay, good. For those two questions, the first one is that normally I don't know from history where the military or the armed forces there go into negotiations when it comes to ransom. I don't know about that, and I don't have any record. I would have told you yes, and then give you the reason, but I don't have any record. And then when we were briefed and have been following up. There is nothing in that regard connecting the armed forces with negotiation. That I can tell you, I can confirm it. Two, if the governor is doing that, he is a father. He is seeing it from a larger perspective. Every person have their part to play to ensure that these children come out on hot. But that does not mean whether there is negotiation or no negotiation, kinetic, maybe, let me conceptualize it now in a slightly broader form. It's not to carry gun and point it at 90 degrees and shoot. That is only kinetic. Even if you are mounting patrol, even if it's show of force, anything you do militarily that is covered under your terms of rules of engagement for a particular situation is a kinetic operation. So we don't stop our kinetic operation for any reason. Not at all. We don't lose our guards. Because the second reason is that most times, even if these people are talking, they talk with their two mouths. We don't believe them and take them for their words totally. We only take them for the actions that we see according to whatever people are saying. So please, and I want to plead with you, I know you are recording this thing. Go and sieve out. If you now go and send it, if I don't tell you, problem. If I now go and tell them, say, we are not seizing kinetically, you have created problem for this meeting. And I want to use it to indict you, to know how to see the information that goes out. And that was why I now put it as placing gun. Because one of the children came out that was in the air, told the parents, they say you should go and tell them to stop disturbing us with helicopter, to stop hovering around us. Those things are not good for security purposes. So if I were you, like I told you, I have submitted myself, I have sacrificed myself. God has kept me these 34 years. If I say an inch go from here now, thank God, Thanksgiving in Dunamis International Gospel Center, both at Abuja and Adi Piorokam. So, gentlemen, I want you people to be sensitive, to know what you give out. If I don't give you, you will be tensed up. He did not say it, that he said, no, we are stopping, we are not stopping. This is information for you to know how to manage. And that is why I refuse to write so many things down. Let me talk so that it will be recorded. So please, ladies and gentlemen, there is nowhere in the world, in any military, where you say you now stop your kinetic actions package. It's a total package. Because negotiations are purportedly going on. No, it's not done. Go and look at this statement. I need to balance it for you. I think those are the two areas he wanted to know.